America's heartland, a landscape painted with the vibrant hues of nature. Where rolling hills meet fertile soil, a story unfolds. A story of resilience, innovation, and the unwavering spirit of American agriculture. For generations, American farmers have dedicated their lives to nourishing our nation. From the sunrise to the sunset, they work tirelessly, tending to the land, nurturing crops, and raising livestock. As the sun sets on America's heartland, we are reminded of the vital role that American agriculture plays in our lives. It's a source of strength, prosperity, and a testament to the unwavering spirit of the American farmer. American agriculture is more than just a business. It's a way of life. It brings families together around tables filled with healthy, nutritious food, creating memories and traditions that are passed down through generations. They are mindful stewards of the land, implementing sustainable practices to preserve the environment for future generations. Their dedication to eco-friendly methods ensures that we can enjoy the bounty of American agriculture for years to come. But American agriculture isn't just about tradition, it's also about embracing progress. Farmers are constantly innovating, adopting cutting-edge technology to maximize efficiency and sustainability. Across the vast expanse of the country, they cultivate a bounty of fresh, wholesome food. From the golden fields of wheat to the juicy fruits bursting from orchards, American farmers provide us with the essentials that fuel our lives.